In this video, we will cover the movie controller, which is the floating toolbar here in the movie window. It is important to note that every movie window will have its own movie controller, and we can see that here if I open an instance movie. We'll start with the basic playback controls. To play the video, click on the play icon here in the middle of the controller. When the video is playing, we can see that the play icon changes to a pause icon, and as one would expect, we can click on it to pause the video. Next is fast forward and rewind. If I hover my mouse in the gray area either to the right or the left of the play icon, we can see that the icon changes to either fast forward or rewind. To fast forward, I'll click and hold in the space to the right of the icon. Now while still holding the mouse, I can adjust the speed of the fast forwarding. The farther I drag my mouse from the center icon, the faster the video will move forward. The closer I move the mouse toward the center icon, the slower the video will advance. Just to the left of the playback controls, we can actually see the specific speed. This process is identical for rewinding, and I can actually go back and forth between the two simply by crossing the center icon. And as one last note on playback controls, I can advance or rewind by a single frame by clicking on the playback control just slightly to either the left or the right of the icon. If I point my mouse there, we can see that the icon will change to a single arrow with a line. Each click will advance my video by one frame. So now we'll work our way through the rest of the movie controller from left to right, starting with loop mode here on the far left. When loop mode is turned on, when my movie reaches the end, it will automatically begin playing again from the beginning. Next is the movie chapters list. Clicking on this icon will give me a list of all the instances in my current movie. I can click on any of these to immediately jump to that instance. Next is playback speed. We touched on this briefly with regard to fast forwarding and rewinding, but it is also a standalone tool. Clicking on the 1x here will give me a scroll bar that allows me to alter the speed of the video playback. Double-clicking on the number will always reset it to 1x. Moving over to the right of the playback controls, we have the movie volume. Clicking on this icon gives us a scroll bar to control the volume of this specific movie window. Next is our text overlay toggle, which is a simple way to either hide or display overlay text. And last we have our drawing toolbar icon, which will both show and hide the drawing toolbar. The drawing toolbar itself is explained in more detail in another video.